Here we are again. We're still on the trail, and I just wanted to show you all this. This is pretty cool. It's like a huge wall, just like continues. It's really cool. Oh, here comes Brandon.
Is there any cliffs like right around that corner?
No.
Okay.
You good?
I'm down to get hit by a car here, but I know about falling off the cliff.
That's funny. I gotta show you all this. This is cool. Sorry about the wavy movement and stuff. Wavy movement. Sorry about all the movement. But anyway, it's just like this huge wall that like continues. It's so cool. But yeah. Here we go. That's where we're going. Down there.